Let's look at the space capsule. There is a closet and a shoe cabinet at the entrance. The room is so beautiful. Turn on the lights and curtains can be controlled with smart panel. It can also be controlled by buttons. Open the window. The toilet consists of a sink, toilet and shower. The bathroom is fully functional. The lighting of the mirror is adjustable. It also comes with a washing machine. Let's take a look in the kitchen. There is also a control button on the kitchen wall. The kitchen consists of operating countertops, cabinets and sinks. Available appliances are dishwasher, induction cooktop, range hood, fridge. The living room is an open-plan lounge area. The balcony is also equipped with security screen doors. Close the electric curtain. Open the curtain. Close the skylight. Turn on the projector. This is a casual area where you can cook and dine. Now let's go to the balcony. Both work and rest are very relaxing.